Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload the documents in PDF file format on DeepSeek AI to let the artificial intelligence analyze or describe the content of the PDF. So let us go to that example document here I prepared for the sake of this tutorial. So guys, what you want to do is head over to DeepSeek AI and log into your account, start a new chat here in the top left, or go into one of your past conversations and use the text field here at the bottom to type in or to enter your prompt. After that, click into that paperclip icon here to attach the PDF. As you can see, the maximum file size is 100 MB each. So locate the given file on your device. Let me go with that test PDF here. Wait for the upload process to be finished. And after a brief moment, simply press enter or click into this button to let the artificial intelligence analyze the PDF you just uploaded and attached. As you can see, you will receive an extensive and detailed analysis of the PDF like this. Now, the example PDF features only a little text, as you can see, but the artificial intelligence provides you with an entire analysis, especially if you enable the DeepThink feature here, guys. So that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.